Hey guys, so I'm out in the garden and I wanted to show you guys something. So we have a ton of little clusters on grapes, and I've grown grapes before, but I wanted to show you guys what they look like. Okay, so here's the perfect example of, you'll have like these little buds on your grapes here, and so once they open and they start to look like little fireworks, you can take your paintbrush and pollinate them, or you can let the flies or the bees pollinate them. But once they start opening like that, go ahead and pollinate them. So we have a ton of clusters on this vine, and I'll show you. They are lining our archway here. So we even have some on this side. And then I'm going to take you guys to where the other ones are. So we have a ton of sunflowers that have reseeded themselves. We did not plant these. So there's like a whole row of sunflowers that have reseeded themselves. And the grapevines, we have two more because I was planning to put an archway in between here to connect the grapes. So I'm going to try to make my way through there and show you the other grapes. Okay, so we have one vine here, and we have another one here, which I was going to have the arch going from here to there. So I'll show you, these have been in the ground longer. So just got a few grapes on there. And two, when your vine is younger, you may not get too many grapes on here. So here's a few too. So not very many because this vine is pretty young. And that's it. So once you see your cluster starting to look like little bitty fireworks, you can take your paintbrush, pollinate them. And around year 3, you'll get the best grapes. And also, once you start noticing that you have those little balls on your grapevine, go ahead and fertilize with worm castings. And you can also add molasses to that. So just add it into the soil. And happy growing.